subject IT for class 9th and 10th. Because of lockdown we are doing e-learning. So today we start with our first topic, networking fundamental. This networking fundamental, if you want to find in your book, so you will get in part B of first unit. So let me start with the first topic, networking fundamental. In networking fundamental there are 5 sub basic topics. Okay, so first is what is network, second is type of network, third is elementary terminology of network, fourth is what is internet, and fifth is how does internet work. So let's we start with our first topic, what is network. So see, first we will see definition of network. Network is a group of device linked to one another. So now I am explaining this definition through this diagram. For example, if you have 4 devices like mobile, laptop, computer and printer, you have one document in your mobile that you want to share with this laptop and with this computer, and that same document you want to print out. So for that we require connection, we require network, then only it is possible to share your document with these devices. Understood? So that is only network is a group of device. So these all devices are in group, devices linked to one another, and that all devices is linking to one another. Before starting this new topic, types of network, again I am revising. Network we are using for connecting different network to one another. Now we can connect this different network, different devices to different networks. That is only types of network. So there are 3 types of network. First is local area network LAN, second is metropolitan area network MAN, and third is wide area network WAN. So let's start with the first, LAN. Small computer network, it means you are in limited computer with the limited range that are confined to a localized area. It means you are using a local zone, are known as local area network. That is a LAN. You can use this LAN network within an office, within a building, or within a factory, or within an organization, but not more than that. Second is a MAN, metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network are the networks spread over a city. This is known as MAN. You can use this MAN network within a city only. Their range is 5 kilometer to 50 kilometer, and the base example is TV cable. Third is WAN, wide area network. The network spread across countries are known as WAN, wide area network, and their range is 1 lakh kilometer. If you want to connect your different devices in that range, so such cases we are using this wide area network, and the base example is internet. Now I am explaining this connection through this diagram. So everyone see here, this is the office. In that office we are connecting this 4 computer to each other. It means we are using LAN connection. Now only I told कि whenever we are using in our local area, that is our LAN connection. So this is the LAN connection. We are using internet in this 4 computer. It means we are using wide area network, because this internet coming in your computer, it is coming from across the countries, not from limited range. That's why it is a wide area network. Now we switch to our third topic, elementary terminology of network. So there are 2 terms, node and server, which is mostly used in this networking. So let's see first term, node. The term node refers to the computer, means we can call to the node as a workstation or also computer that are attached to a network. Means this node working as a one device, we are using this node for attaching to the network, for connecting to the network, that are that are seeking to share resources of the network. Means suppose you have a data, picture, video you want to send to your friend. So how we will send this? We require a one device through which you can send to your friend. So that work node will do. Okay, but who will send, who will serve these services? For that we require the second term, server. Now see, a computer that facilitate the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network is termed as a server. So server only share your all pictures, your video, your software, your hardware, whatever it is you want to send to your friend, means to your other device. So this server only will do, but for that we require a network. Okay, so server can be of two type. First is non-dedicated server and second is dedicated server. So first see non-dedicated server. Now only I told कि we require in communication, in networking we require two term, node and server. So this, see here four computers are connecting with each other. Okay, so this four computer, it means we can call as a workstation also, we can call as a node also, or I return here client. Client means who is using this computer. Okay, so this computer want to send their information like picture, video, anything, their document, anything. Okay, so to this other device. So how they will send? Okay, so this computer only will work as a workstation as well as server. Okay, so this non-dedicated server we can call as a peer-to-peer network. Means this here in this communication we not require, we are not using any particular type of device which work as a server. But now see difference of dedicated server. In that dedicated server, here also four computer. Okay, this four computer also connecting with each other, but they are connecting with the this particular device which is called as a server. So suppose this computer want to send their information to these three computer. Okay, so first he will send his information to this server, and then after this server only will send his information to this other computer. So this way they will work in dedicated server. We can call as a dedicated server as a client server network. Our fourth topic is what is internet. Okay, now see definition of internet. Internet is a worldwide network of computer network is known as internet. Worldwide network of computer network means it is whichever information you are searching on Google search, so it is coming from across the country. It is not coming from particular region or for particular. So that is called internet. Again I am explaining this definition in this 3 point. First is internet is made up of many network, each run by different company. Suppose one example I am giving here. Suppose you are searching on Google search biography of Narendra Modi. Okay, so you will get so many link of biography of Narendra Modi. So that is only internet is made up of many networks. So this all link it means only from many network, and each run by different company, and that each link is identified with their particular identification and interconnected at peering point. Which word you are using for searching information related to that only you will get information. So that is only interconnected at peering point. Now second point, it connects many smaller network together and allows all the computer to exchange information with each other. So whatever link you are getting in that search, so that is only smaller network, it is coming from smaller network, and they are exchanging their information with us or with each other. To accomplish this, all the computer on the internet have to use a common set of rules for communication. Suppose you want to search information, so anyone can search or anyone can use internet. But when you want to send your thoughts, when you want to send your opinion on the internet about anyone, okay, so for that we have to follow some rules, some protocols. Okay, see the last topic, how does internet work. This is the connection of internet, how we will connect with the internet. Okay, so these are the users and this is the main internal structure, that is the backbone network, where the all dissimilar networks are connected. Okay, see this is the gateway is the device which connects the all dissimilar network means they are different from each other. Now in most internet, computers are not directly connected to the internet. Okay, they are connected to the gateway, to the backbone, means they are connected through the gateway to the backbone. So here these are the users, they are using internet. Okay, and from information is coming from this backbone. Okay, from here only information will come to the user. So they are connecting first to the gateway, and this gateway they are connecting with the different dissimilar network, and then this information will reach to this computer. After internet connection, we see how the internet work. So this is a source and this is a destination. Source, it means from where the file will come to the destination, and destination means where the file we receive. Okay, so I took here one document file here in source, where this file we send from source to destination. Okay, so how that file will go from source to destination. Now this is a large file, so source first divide this file into very small packet, and this packet contain information of this document file, and then after this source give the random number like 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, after that this source send this document file to the destination in very small packet. Then destination receive this file in packet and then reassemble in document file. But in that transmission, any packet is lost, like one packet or like third packet is lost. So destination demanded for that packet, source again reassemble that packet and then send to the destination. So lastly destination will receive this full document file in one way. Here our session over. Again I will come with the new session. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Gurudev.